Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mitzinfinity. Today we are going to discuss about transformers, which is a very important portion of physics for class 10 as well as class 11, both the boards ICSE and CBSE. So let's start it. First, let us discuss what is a transformer. A transformer is a device that changes, that can transform an alternating potential difference. Yes, a transformer, the main function of a transformer is either to increase or to decrease the potential difference. Let us see how a transformer functions. In our last video, we have discussed what is a step down transformer, and here in this video, we are going to discuss about a step up transformer. As you can see, it's a soft iron core. Yes, the structure where we have to make the coils. So let us make it. Here you can see I have made two coils. This is primary coil, that is secondary coil. That is primary coil and this is secondary coil. This is also known as input coil. This is known as output coil. Through the primary coil will enter potential difference, and through secondary coil will get desired potential difference. As you can see, the number of turns in secondary coil is more than the number of turns in primary coil. That means whatever the potential difference you are giving here, you will get more than that. That means the potential difference in secondary coil is greater than potential difference in primary coil, because the number of turns in secondary coil is higher than the primary coil. So we have seen two types of transformers. The first one is step down transformer and second one is step up transformer. Step down transformer decreases the potential difference, whereas step up transformer increases the potential difference. Say NP is the number of turns in primary coil and NS is the number of turns in secondary coil. In step down transformer, number of turns in primary coil is greater than the number of turns in secondary coil. In step up transformer, number of turns in primary coil is less than number of turns in secondary coil. Same here. The potential difference which we are getting in secondary coil is less than the potential difference in the primary coil. But here the potential difference in the primary coil is less than the potential difference in secondary coil. Here we'll introduce another term which is called turns ratio. turns ratio, which is denoted by small n. Turns ratio equal to number of turns in primary coil by number of turns in secondary coil. This formula is applicable for here also. So number of turns, that is the turns ratio of a transformer, means the ratio between number of turns in primary coil and number of turns in secondary coil. Here I am going to tell you two more equations, important equations. We have to remember it for numericals. The first equation is number of turns in primary coil by number of turns in secondary coil equal to potential difference in primary coil by potential difference in secondary coil. The second equation is potential difference in primary coil by potential difference in secondary coil equal to amount of current in secondary coil by amount of current in primary coil. These two are important relations we have to remember for numericals. So now we know what are called step down transformers and step up transformers, and here the important equations related to that. Thank you.